Do subtitles increase your YouTube views? Short answer, yep. In recent research, YouTube stated that videos with subtitles saw almost a 14% increase in views within the first 14 days that they were published. Captions and subtitles are also considered to be part of the metadata, which basically means part of SEO, and that in turn tells the algorithm to push your videos higher up the ranks. So yeah, there's no doubt about it. Captions and subtitles can definitely benefit your videos and your channel. Now, how do we add those subtitles? Well, that's where I come in. Hi, I'm Lauren, and I'm going to show you how to add subtitles to a video. So let's get started. Firstly, you're going to want to sign up to VEED.io. I'll pop the link in the description. Now, full disclosure, this feature is free to use, but it will have a watermark of VEED's logo in the corner of the video. Now, of course, if you don't want that watermark, all you've got to do is pay a small fee. With that said, let's continue. Now that we're in VEED, we're going to click Create New Project, upload a video, choose the video you want to subtitle, and give it a minute to upload. Now, in the sidebar, you'll see the icon for subtitle. Click that and you'll see you have three options. Auto, now this is the easiest option as the software generates all the text for you. Manual, which means you'll go clip by clip and type in the text as you go. And lastly, upload subtitle file. Now this is where you'll have an SRT file with all the text on it ready to go. And because we don't have an SRT file and we don't have all day to manually type in the text, we're of course going to go for the easiest option, which is auto subtitle. So click auto subtitle, choose your desired language. I'm going to choose English and hit start. Now this process can take a couple of minutes.
A few moments later.
Now we can see that all the text is pre-populated. We can do a quick playthrough, make sure everything's okay and there's no errors where it might have misinterpreted any of the words that we've said. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to be reviewing Look Fantastic's June box. Next thing to do is to personalize it to suit your needs and style. So you'll see we've got tons of styles here, tons of fonts, text sizes, spacing, colors, and effects. I tend to lean towards yellow. I think it's more visually appealing and it stands out a bit more than black and white. So once you're happy with your style, next thing to do is export. So click export in the top right hand corner, choose your preset. I'm going to choose YouTube, it's for my YouTube channel. And I'm going to have burn subtitles marked as on. So what this means basically is that you want them saved onto the video itself and not saved as a separate SRT file. And lastly, click export. The video render can take a couple of minutes, so we're gonna fast forward, and if I click play. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. You can see the subtitles are now on my video. Perfect. Lastly, click download MP4, and there you go. That is the quickest and easiest way to add subtitles to any video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go on and hit that like button. And if you've got any questions for me, please pop them in the comment section down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.